Welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy for the problem solving session in NEET Physics. Topic chosen today is from Chapter 8, Electromagnetic Waves. Let's move to question number 1. For a plane electromagnetic wave propagating in x direction, which one of the following combination gives the correct possible direction of electric field E and magnetic field B? That is, for propagation of electromagnetic waves, E and B, that is electric field and magnetic field, must be perpendicular to each other. That is, perpendicular to each other means two vectors must be perpendicular. E vector and E dot B equal to 0. Then you have to do, there is a J plus K is one of the E component and J plus K, second one is for B component. This combination, which dot product gives 0? First one will be not equal to 0. And second one, minus J with J cap plus K cap dot minus J cap minus K cap. This is only equal to 0. J dot J1, like that it becomes 0. Okay, so 1 minus 1 gives 0. And therefore this only, option B only equal to 0 and C not equal to 0. And D also not equal to 0. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Let's move to question number. Light with an average flux of 20 watt per centimeter square falls on a non-reflecting surface at normal incidence having surface area 20 centimeter square. Energy received by the surface during time span of 1 minute. Energy received formula E equal to average flux. What is the formula for average flux? 20 watt per centimeter square into that surface area. Surface area, that also 20. Remember, this is 20 watt per centimeter square and this is 20 centimeter square. By multiplying both, it will be same. Or otherwise, you have to convert this centimeter into meter. That is into 10 power minus 2 whole power 2. Same way here also to 10 power minus 2 whole power 2. That is into 10 power minus 4 into 10 power minus 4 getting cancelled. So directly I am doing into 1 minute. 1 minute convert into second. That is 60. Multiply this 224 400 into 60. 46 24 into 10 power 3 joules. That is option, which option? Yes, B option. B option is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 3. Out of the following options, which one can be used to produce a propagating electromagnetic stationary charge? Will not produce electromagnetic wave. Chargeless particle, not possible to produce electromagnetic wave. Charge moving at constant velocity, also not possible. Accelerating charges. Accelerating charges only produces EM wave. EM wave is an electromagnetic wave. Let's move to question number 4. Which of the following statement is false for the properties of electromagnetic waves? First option, both the electric and magnetic vectors attain maximum and minimum at same place and same time. Yes, that's correct. Both are in phase. Second one, the energy in electromagnetic waves divided equally between electric and magnetic vectors. That also equally spaced. Correct. Both the electric and magnetic field vectors are parallel. No, perpendicular. Electric field and magnetic field perpendicular, and also direction to the propagation of wave also perpendicular. So option C only wrong. That is correct. And D option. These waves do not require any material medium for propagation. That's why we are also calling that as an electromagnetic wave or non-mechanical wave. So option C only wrong. So that is correct. Let's move to question number 5. In a certain region of space, electric field E and magnetic field B are perpendicular to each other. And an electron enters in region perpendicular to the direction of B and E, both and moves undeflected. Velocity of electron is. Velocity of electron E is V equal to E by B. Okay. That is force due to magnetic field. B, Q, V equal to force due to electric field Q, E. Okay. Q getting cancelled. From that V equal to E by B. That is option A. Option A is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 6. Electromagnetic wave with shortest wavelength among the following is which one? That is microwave is the longest. Next to microwaves, UV rays. Next to X-ray and gamma ray. Gamma ray is the shortest. So option C is the correct answer. This may be around 1 angstrom. Okay. Let's move to last question. Which of the following has minimum wavelength? Just previously we discussed gamma ray, but cosmic ray is less than that. Gamma ray will be around 1 angstrom. But cosmic ray will be around into 10 power minus 3 angstrom. So if cosmic ray is not given, means gamma ray is the correct answer. And therefore, gamma ray D is the correct answer. Okay. Thank you, students. In next session, we will see through another chapter in this problem solving session. Thank you.